Magandang umaga mga Katimbo Vlogs. Welcome sa isa namang Biwas Vlog. Ngayong araw na to, August 27, 2024, here in Wellington, New Zealand. So, ang gamitin nating bus ngayon ay si bus number 5086. Ito po ay isang double decker with registration plate number MA86. This will expire on February 24, 2025. Alright. This one. Very good. Check lang naman natin yung mga old damages. Old damage. This one, all good. Gestures are all good. Tires are all well inflated. And old damage. Taas. All good. Alright. Damage, all good. Tires are all well inflated. Oh! Damage. All damage. All good. Ingat lang tayo mga Katimbo Vlogs. And check na natin yung mga handrails pala. All good. Mahaba-habang tulugan na naman ito mamaya. 5086. Check na natin sa taas. No standing upper deck. Okay, taas. All good. It's all good. Check natin yung mga bintana kung may mga tama for vandalism. All good. Maligalig yung mga estudyante dito. So, it's all good. Safety reminders. Passengers must not stand in the stairwell while the bus is moving. Hold onto handrails while using stairs. All good. That concludes our bus checks for today. Paalam!